Hey, what's going on, guys? iOS Guides here, bringing you guys another awesome tutorial video. This video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to enable notifications for any app. So let's say you wanted to get notifications when someone liked your picture or followed you or something like that. This video is going to teach you. So the first thing you want to do is go to your settings app, scroll down a little bit, tap on notifications, and here you will see all the apps that I have on my phone. And I want to enable notifications for Facebook. You can choose any app you want and then hit allow notifications, and you have a bunch of different options. So you can enable it for only the lock screen, banners that will come down, or notification center, or all of them. I'm just going to keep all of them on. You can change the banner style. Temporary will make it so it pops down for a little bit and then pops back up. Persistent will keep it there until you move it. You can also enable sounds or disable sounds, and enable badges or disable badges. And then you can do some other stuff. So yeah, that's just a really simple way you guys can go through your apps and enable your notifications so that you don't miss anything or want to know more about something. So I hope this video helped you guys. If you did like it, please leave a like and subscribe. I'm going to try to make a bunch of videos on this channel and help you guys out as much as I can. If you guys have any ideas for future tutorials, let me know in the comments and I'll try my best to make them. See you guys later. Bye.